Here we go. We're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. This one's going to be, let me see it. Where's it at? Oh, 2021 Ducati 950 SuperSport. So basically, plan of action like I always do. I take the ignition line. Oh, the customer sent the ignition. The customer sent the dashboard. They was having trouble finding someone in the area to help them, so they gave us a call and they sent us the parts. So plan of action basically. I'm gonna take the ignition lock. I'm gonna decode it, figure out what the existing cuts are. Take those cuts, cut them onto some blank keys. Make sure the keys are working nice and smooth. After that, I'll put the chips in the keys. Write the data to the chips. Make sure it's all programmed into the dashboard. That way, the next time, when all these parts are hooked back up to the bike, the next time the keys are used on that bike, the bike will see it. The anti-theft will allow it to start. Basically, that's the gist. So I'll come back in a little bit with the keys made and everything programmed. All right, this is done. Another job completed. Now here we go. These are the perfect keys. They just don't go to on and off. They also engage the steering bolt lock. Key 1, unlock. You'll have some people that's going to make you a key that go from on to off, and then tell you there's something wrong with the lock. That's why they can't get the steering bolt lock to work. That ain't the perfect key. Here you go. All positions. Both keys are now programmed. They got chips in them, so the system, the anti-theft system, will allow this bike to start. Those of you that's wondering, I've been doing this since about 1990. So I've been making keys to all types of locks for years. I want to say the very first Ducati I made a key to was a ST2 in the late 90s, probably closer to 2000. But anyway, you want to know what's crazy most of the time? I can't even tell you what the bikes look like that I make keys for, lost key replacements for, or what color they are. But that's about it. There ain't much really to say about this. Now, those of you that's having trouble finding people to help you, like I say, there's always a few reasons. I'm assuming, of course. One, they may not get enough calls to justify buying all the different types of equipment it takes to do this type of work. Because you got to have different types of equipment. You gotta have keys on standby. You gotta have all types of different chips, and then you gotta have the training to know what type of data to put on it, how to get the data, how to code it up so the bike recognizes it. And 3, they may not even have the equipment. So, but if you need my help, you need to get back up and running. You want that bike running or whatever you get ready to do with it, race it or just joyride with it. Give me a call. I'll tell you what it's gonna cost, what to send me, how long it's gonna take. And those, oh yeah, thanks to all the bike mechanics and bike dealers that I deal with. I appreciate y'all for sending me to work, because I'm always hearing people calling me and say, hey, so-and-so told me to give you a call. I appreciate y'all. And for the rest of you, I appreciate y'all for watching the videos. But if you need my help, to do, give me a call. And we'll talk about what needs to happen and get you back up and running. I appreciate y'all. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thanks.